Hello everyone, I'm Aaron, a birding naturalist. Welcome back. It is June, which means it is time for the next A Birding Naturalist Monthly Nature Challenge. Let's talk iNaturalist. iNaturalist is an online citizen science, participatory science database where anyone can, as long as you have a cell phone, add observations about the natural world. It's an amazing platform. It was founded actually in 2018 as a master's project by some master's students at UC Berkeley. It has gone on to be sort of incorporated and joined with the California Academy of Sciences, National Geographic, and is now its own sort of standalone 501c3 nonprofit, still associated with those other organizations. So it has grown into this like massive platform, global, and it's really cool. It's got a lot of features to it that make it really interesting, really accessible, really easy to use for pretty much anybody, and also that yields really valuable science. So first, what is this thing? iNaturalist is a platform where you can take an observation. It can be in text. It can be a picture, it's even better. It can also be an audio recording. The platform has features where when you upload a picture, it will actually help you identify, and it also has a network of users who will verify identifications of organisms, of any living organism you want to take a picture of. So this can be birds, mammals, fungi, plants, like you name it. And you can add it to iNaturalist. And like I said, iNaturalist has this amazing process, this amazing ability to help identify what you're looking at. So it's a great way of adding your observations to a larger data set. And it's also a great way of getting information from this data set to help you identify the natural organisms you see around you. It's really easy to use. The interface is very sort of intuitive. You just take a picture. There's like just a few click-through buttons. You can use pictures you're taking right now in real time. You can use pictures that you've taken previously. You can, and the same thing with recordings. And it asks for a little bit of information surrounding the picture. So, you put the picture up, and then it asks you the date that you made the observation, and it's got some location entry abilities. So you can choose on a map where you were, where you saw this critter or plant or whatever. And then you can add some notes to sort of flesh out your observation if you would like. It's optional. And then also you can add it to projects. There are lots of scientists who have gone onto the platform, created some project like tracking invasive species or tracking roadkill or lots of stuff like that. And so you can sort of look through this long list of projects and say, oh, you know what? Actually, I think that my observation fits with what this person is looking for. And so you can sort of flag it and add it to that project. And people will go through and verify that, yep, that's a roadkill mammal, which is what this person was looking for. And so it fits with their desired data set. That has also yielded tremendous results. There are now like almost 200 million observations on iNaturalist, and it's growing rapidly. Like I said, it started in Berkeley, California, but it has spread worldwide. There are tons of people using it all over the place. And it has now contributed to hundreds, if not thousands, of different scientific papers where scientists have been able to go onto iNaturalist, use this tremendous data set, and use that to answer questions or query the natural world that they're studying. So it's a really powerful project for both individuals wanting to learn about the natural world and scientists and institutions and groups, organizations also trying to learn about the natural world. So it's an amazing platform. I really enjoy using it, and I encourage you to do the same. So my challenge for the month of June for the monthly nature challenge is to add some observations to iNaturalist. This can be super easy, or you can make it as big and complicated and as challenging as you want. You can try to add, I don't know, some number of species that you find challenging. You can just go for numbers of observations. One of the interesting things about iNaturalist, the way it works, is if you see the same species over and over and over again, maybe like the same species of plant, but you want to mark off every individual that you see of this plant along a hedgerow or a road or something like that, you can do that. You can just take picture after picture after picture, and on the map, locate spot after spot after spot for each observation. And you can sort of trace out, oh yeah, here's all the places where this particular invasive species is being observed, for example. So if you want to do something like that, set yourself a sort of more intricate challenge, by all means, go for it. I'm just opening this up to everybody as wide as I can and just saying, add some number of observations to iNaturalist in the month of June. That is your challenge. That is my challenge. I'm hoping you enjoy me. And if you do, let me know. Share the link in the description below or on Instagram. Show me the picture you've taken, or leave a note on the observations that you made. And let me know what you think of iNaturalist. And if you're intrigued by this platform, if you think you use it more, if it's not really your thing, either way, share your thoughts. So I hope you have fun with it. I will definitely leave a link in the description to iNaturalist so you can set up an account and start collecting data. And let's all sort of contribute our observations and our effort to this global, amazing platform. Thank you very much for the view. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, enjoy the natural world.